Today we are taking a look at two rechargeable LED work lights from Parkside. Both are compact, practical, and designed for everyday use in the workshop, garage, or even around the house. Let's start with the first model. This light has a very interesting design. The body opens with a sliding mechanism, and when you pull it out, the main LED strip is revealed. That sliding design makes it very compact when it's closed, so you can easily store it in a drawer, toolbox, or even in your car. Once opened, the LED panel provides a wide and bright work light that is perfect for illuminating a workbench, a repair area, or any dark corner where you need extra visibility. The light is rechargeable, which means you don't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. You simply charge it, and it's ready whenever you need it. Another useful feature is its compact size and lightweight body, which makes it easy to carry and handle while you work. This type of work light is extremely useful for many situations, such as car repairs, electrical work, DIY projects, or even emergency situations where you need portable lighting. Now let's move on to the second Parkside work light. Unlike the first one, this model has a fixed design with no moving parts. The LED strip is permanently exposed, which gives it a more straightforward and robust construction. Because there are no sliding or moving mechanisms, the design feels very simple and durable. The long LED strip provides a strong and evenly distributed light that works great for lighting larger work areas. This type of light is very convenient when you need stable and consistent lighting while working in the garage, under the hood of a car, or inside cabinets and tight spaces. Just like the first model, it is also rechargeable, making it practical for everyday use without the need for disposable batteries. Both of these Parkside lights are designed for people who like practical tools that make work easier. They are ideal for DIY enthusiasts, workshop users, mechanics, and anyone who needs a reliable portable work light. The first model offers a more compact design with its sliding mechanism, while the second model focuses on simplicity and durability with its fixed structure. In the end, both lights are very useful additions to any toolbox. If you enjoy tool reviews, workshop gear, and Parkside equipment, make sure to subscribe to the channel. More tools, more reviews, and more workshop content are coming soon on Mr. EAGLESTONE.